Hi, this is Tarot Card Reader Roma. Today we have a session with John. He's from Mexico and I will ask some questions to him. So like he will guide you and he's a very famous tarot card reader. Now, hi John.
Hi, how do you do?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing great. On this side of the planet, it's just turning dusk. It's nighttime here.
Okay. So John, like please tell me your experience so that viewers can learn about you and tell more things about you.
Okay, well, I am 46 years old. I'll be 47 in 2 days. On the 24th is my birthday. I've been a card reader now for about 30 years, 29. My great-grandmother taught me the art. She was the last bloodline to Spain. Before they were Spaniards, they were gypsies. Before they were gypsies, they were Arabs. And my great-grandmother always told me, use this to help people and you will always have a happy heart. And I have lived many lives helping people with certain problems, may it be medical, esoterical, or hermetic. But it is an honor to serve the people.
Okay. So John, today I will ask you some questions. So just guide the tarot readers. Okay. So first question is, can we read cards without assigned position?
Yes, and in fact, when you become a reader, it depends on your intuition. It depends on how well you can read the person. I've met some readers who don't even need cards that can pick up on the vibrations, and so the positions in and of themselves are just guides. These guides sometimes, oddly enough, are sometimes in the wrong place or at the wrong time to get the answers to that questions, because then again, you're either dealing with present, past, or future, which of course is all interchangeable according to actions, and that depends on each person's ability to negate the things they need to say no to and accept the things that they can.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Now next question is meditation necessary to read tarot cards?
Meditation is not necessary, but it does help. And, nobody can clear their mind. You can't turn it into a void. You must focus on a future setting where your meditation is helping find answers and guiding you towards those mysteries. Because when you meditate, you are connecting to the Creator. Some people call the God. I call it the Creator because we live within the God. And when you meditate, you connect to that omnipotent, uh, the which, yes, I strongly advise meditation. If you don't know how to do it, it's very simple. Sit in a quiet room, outside of distractions, and think and feel the positiveness. And you can meditate while you're walking. You can meditate while you're using the vacuum cleaner. You can meditate while you're washing dishes. You can meditate anywhere. It's one of the easiest things to do. But you must calm yourself and concentrate on your breathing. But the question is meditation needed for tarot card reading? No, but I strongly advise that you do.
Okay. Now next question is, what if the querent is quiet and don't want to share anything? How to deal with this situation?
And oddly enough, that is my favorite kind of client.
Okay.
Because they're making you work for the answers. And then you have to actually actively pay attention to body language, because their body language will always tell you what is going on within this person's mind, the way they breathe. The questions you ask bring out the answers without them saying anything. A slight hand movement, a flush of the face, a change in the breathing patterns. This is where you, as the reader, become more of an intellect watching this person go through these subtle changes. What is going on inside the mind will always manifest in the real world. Always. You cannot hide from what is going on inside your mind, and worse, what's going on inside your heart. A corrupt heart will always bring about corrupt manifestation, and a healthy heart will always bring about healthy things in the real world.
Okay, thank you. This answer is very good. Okay, now last question is, can we predict the lifespan through tarot cards?
Yes and no. It's kind of like, is everybody ready to get their cards read? No. Some people should not know what their future holds for them. Only they know. Yes, you can predict a lifespan, but the answer lies in how well will you live your life, and what are going to be the positive influences in your life to see you into old age. Because like the old theory goes, you are a fraction of those you hang out with. So if you hang out with people that smoke and do drugs and are committed to crime, then you're not going to live very long. But if you hang out with people that are healthy in mind, healthy in body, and healthy in spirit, you're going to last a very long time. Because these are the people that will see you into the future as a healthy individual. And the other types, the negative types, they don't want to see you grow. They don't want to see you flourish. They don't want to see you advance. But yes, you can predict a lifespan through the tarot cards. Again, the tarot cards serve only as a guide. All the magic comes from within the seeker.
I want to ask, like anything you would like to give tips to readers. Yeah, any tips would you like to give to readers?
Um, well, again, the only tip I can give the humanity right now is stay focused only on the positive. Don't watch TV. It's bad for your mind, bad for your spirit, and it's probably bad for your teeth.
Okay.
I would recommend staying away from negative people, negative see you through. And the world is going through an upheaval right now, and there are a lot of truths coming out into the light. I am a Buddhist, and as a Buddhist, there are three things the Buddha once said you cannot keep hidden. One is the sun, the other is the moon, and the third is the truth. The truth will come out. That's the beauty of it. So all these people, lying about this and lying about that, their truths are coming in the form of karma. So just keep your faith, stay strong, stay positive, and know that your Creator loves you. Your Creator made you to succeed, not to be a slave, to succeed. And so don't succeed for anybody else but yourself first. You are the most important individual on this planet right now.
Okay, thank you. Now we will end this session with John. So please like my channel and subscribe my channel and comment. Thank you.